refine your marketing, refine some of your sales offerings and different things that you're gearing up for late winter onboarding into early spring 2026. So you see kind of our whiteboard here that internally we just want to really have a really solid start to the week, planning out all of our priorities for our clients. Somehow pull this off where we get parks done this week. Get those 3 websites out the way because we have so many things coming in. Web design, Google Ads clients, content creation. Got out of a little bit of our slow season with the summer, people taking vacations, decision makers not making buying decisions yet, into, hey, we need it yesterday.
Trying to hit it hard Monday through Thursday. We're trying to get a lot of projects done that have been in the works for about a couple weeks now. Ideally by October 1st would be great to finish those, especially because we have a lot of new onboarding clients coming for the next month.
Got also 4 proposals in the works for some larger projects, in between the projects that are going to finish by October 1st and the ones that are trying to close and onboard with us in the first week of October.
A couple meetings with these clients, setting things up, getting proposals out, figuring out their plan. So hopefully by October and the 4th quarter, as people would say, we get these people rolling, and we have these other projects done.
We're going to try to capture all these opportunities, make things happen, and it's just going to take just raw action at the end of the day. You know, 4 different web design clients for that. And then just routine like Google Ads, like maintenance, making sure that we're maximizing all of their ad spend for their allocated Google ad budgets. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a crazy week. We're gonna try to have a goal of a light Friday for our agency. We'll see how well that works out, but we gotta hit it hard. And then you got distractions like you can put out your own content, right? We're always talking about for our clients to do. Well, we have to do that as an agency as well. So best of luck to that. And hopefully you guys have some fun topics that you might be able to cover for your marketing activities come October. Perfect time to